First thing I do, I seal my magnet in on the inside of the head. Okay. Okay, so now what I like to do, I will see what side the magnet is on, which is on that side. And then I'm going to get my pacifier. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to cut this part of the pacifier so that I can put the magnet on. Okay, so you want to make sure this is the way the magnet is going. So when I take this magnet off, I'm going to make sure I have it going the same way, and then I'll just set it on there. You can either glue it on, or I use, a lot of people glue them on, but I use adhesives. Adhesive. These are adhesives. They got the little sticky thing on it, and I do that because, you know, sometimes you want to get the magnet to where it may need to be in a certain place. So if you glue it on, it's stuck. So I like using the adhesives. And then that's how I do the pacifier. So that's how you make a magnetic pacifier.